अब तक हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड ट्राई किए, ओके, बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बी ट्राइंग बर्लिन स्ट्रीट फूड. No, we're not in Berlin, Germany. We are here in India, Mumbai, Bandra, yaar. There's this amazing place called Mahlzeit which serves Berlin street food. So we're going to go there. Oh yeah, willkommen. So guys, I have gone through the menu card, and after going through the very difficult pronunciations in German, I have decided to order this. So this is the Bratwurst hot dog. One is in chicken and the other one, I will not tell you, I will tell you when I taste it, alright? So let's get started. I love the sausage. It is smoky, it's rightly flavored. And the sweetness of the mustard and caramelized onions and the sausage and the extremely fresh bread, guys. It goes perfectly with each other. I just love it. I'm going to take one more bite. And apparently the sausage is from a German butcher in Bombay. Find the butcher. So now coming to this version of Bratwurst hot dog. What is this? So basically this is a veg version. Yes. So all you veg guys, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि अरे यार vegetarians के लिए क्या है? Tension मत लो यार, आप लोगों के लिए भी एक option है. So I'm going to be trying this and seeing how closely it mimics the non-veg version. Okay? Let's see. It's damn soft and it's damn tasty. I cannot say that it's exactly like the non-veg one, but it's definitely very, very tasty, guys. You should try it. And it's made of soy, so. So guys, I'm going to be finishing this. Not alone, of course, with my crew. So, and in the meantime, I'm going to be pouring this amazing fruit beer, which is again very German, I hear. It's like a fusion between beer and tea, like a iced beer tea, you can say. This is the first time I've had something like this, but it's very refreshing and it tastes very good with the Bratwurst. So, good combination. And my second dish has arrived, and it is the Schnitzel. So this schnitzel is extremely famous. It's basically any meat which is fried with a coat of batter, breadcrumbs, etc. etc. It's really crunchy from the outside and soft chicken meat inside. I'm loving the crunch. So along with this crunchy schnitzel is this beautiful creamy potato salad with some mayo. Let's taste this. Creamy, very simple, but this goes really well with the crunchy schnitzel right here. I'm gonna have one more bite of this. Great combination, guys. So schnitzel is originally from Vienna. And the Viennese schnitzel is actually made of veal, and generally in Germany you can get it in veal, pork, beef, you know, all kinds of meat, but this is chicken. So guys, can you guess what's in my hand? So this is a very famous doner kebab. It has Turkish origins, but it is famous all over Europe, and it's a very, very famous Berlin street food. Okay, so I'm going to bite into this. It's like a boat of goodness. What's basically done is they slice a piece of bread, make this beautiful pocket, and they add grilled chicken with spices, with yogurt, with like a spiced mayonnaise sauce, and all this beautiful goodness. And the bread is also grilled. So out of all this goodness comes my favorite doner kebab. So guys, right in front of me is something very interesting. Okay, it's called the pomme spezial. So it's special fries. These are homemade potato fries with homemade mayonnaise and some curry ketchup. So curry ketchup is basically a German style curry sauce. This is not to be confused with the Indian curry. And they have some beautifully chopped onions on top of it. So I am going to try this right now. I love the sweetness of that red curry ketchup. Of course, these fries are not like the regular fries that you get in burger joints. It's very different. It tastes like a homemade fry. See how thin they are. And these are very crunchy, and with the sauce, this combination is amazing. You hear the crunch? So guys, this entire experience was super cool for me because I have never tried German street food outside of Germany, that too in India. My favorite dishes were the Bratwurst, the hot dog, and of course the doner kebab and the fries. All three of them were amazing. And also it's like a cute little place where you can come and chill out with your friends. And I love the way they serve food on these cute little aluminium plates. All on the whole, a fantastic experience. Danke.